Reef, Florida, 20 nautical miles Biscayne Bay until 4:30 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a shower and possible developing thunderstorm, capable of producing strong winds of 34 knots or greater over Convoy Point, about over Black Point, moving east at 35 knots. As this activity moves over the water, mariners can expect strong gusty winds, high seas, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore. If caught on the open water, make sure all safety gear is available and life jackets are being worn by you and your crew.